The 12-volt power outlet is standard equipment on the new GMC Sierra, but it comes pre-configured to always be on. In this guide, we'll walk you through the process of converting a 12-volt outlet constant power source to an accessory power in your GMC Sierra. So let's get right into it. In the 2014 to 2018 GMC Sierra, you need to relocate a fuse in the cabin to make outlet power from constant to accessory power. So follow me along. Step 1. Before diving in, make sure your vehicle is turned off. Step 2. Next, locate the 50-amp fuse on the driver's side panel inside the truck. Just pull the cover off to expose the fuse. And this is the fuse that needs your attention. Step 3. After that, pull the 50-amp fuse and move it to the blank terminal on the left or toward the front of the truck and reinsert it. Step 4. Now check your accessory power outlet is off unless the key is on. For 2019 Sierra and above, the method is the same, but the location of the fuse is different. So let's get it going. Step 1. Turn off your car and park in a safe location. Step 2. The next step is to find the 50-amp fuse on the passenger's side panel. Just pull the cover off to expose the fuse. And here is the fuse that you need to check. Step 3. After that, pull the 50-amp fuse out and move it to the left so it uses the terminal that wasn't being used, then reinsert it. So there you have it. Simply switching the fuse spot will result in the electricity being cut off at the plug whenever the ignition is turned off. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.